Okay, today is April the 7th, 2016, and we're watching the Northeast Pacific infrared loop. And tonight we have another right angle on this 974 millibar storm system. This is moving to the east, right towards the west coast here. And we have a very, very long straight edge right here. Let's put the envelope on that and show just how straight that is. That is a over 1,000 miles right there. California, I think, is 800 or 940 miles, something like that. 940 miles, I believe it is. Either that or 840, something like that. But this is much longer than that one edge here. We have Canada up here, Mexico there. So we have a very long edge there. We also have an interior right angle right here. Okay. This is all man-made. They're heating this with a phased array radar that's generating a lot of heat. And the core actually disconnects. Let's scroll through this real quick. Keep your eye right here and watch what happens as we wind through this. The core is right here, but everything is evaporating. And what happens is that we end up with a frontal system that is just adrift, no longer connected to its low pressure core. And that's what we're seeing there. Okay. So that's what it looks like. We also have this low pressure system that had moved through on the last yesterday and today. This only dropped 0.16 inches. And that's because this has been heavily sprayed with aerosol chemtrails the last 3 to 4 days. And we can look at that real quick on the MODIS today map. Let's go look at the water vapor map right now. We can see that storm system. We also have a lot of high pressure installed in between. We've got two lows down here, one here and one over here. They've got a area of high pressure installed right here. This is done with a phased array as well. And that is put in place deliberately to prevent this system from merging with what we have over here. They've got high pressure here, and that will prevent merging between this low and this one here. And we've got high pressure down here, right near the islands, clockwise movement. Yeah, so we didn't get much rain at all today. All right, let's look at this is the jet stream map. We only have half a map today. We can see that some of this is flowing up into Canada and back down through the middle of the country to the southeast. And we have a separate flow down here into Mexico. All right, now here is the surface analysis map. And we can see, I think, 5 or 6 different lows here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different lows right up and down the coast of Canada and the United States. We do have a forecast for rain tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as well. So if today is any indication, we're not going to get much rain because of the chemtrail spraying. That has really stopped the rain. Okay, let's look at the MODIS today map. We can see the extent of the chemtrails. We have some real clouds offshore here. We can see those right here. This is all natural clouds and water vapor. And then as we move in towards where the center of this low is, you can see the chemtrail haze all through here. This is Lompoc and Vandenberg Air Force Base. We have some real clouds right here. We can see that, but then we see all this hazy off-white stuff. This is the chemtrail mix that is sprayed over the tops of these clouds, and so these clouds will not convect and we won't get rain. And that's exactly what they do. It's deliberate, and they have stopped the rain again. And if we just pan around, we can see that these chemtrails are everywhere. Let's move over towards the Colorado River. Right here we can see the river area. This chemtrail stuff has been sprayed all over and it has stopped the rain. Okay. All right, here's the 500 millibar map. We can see two lows right here offshore. This one is supposed to move in and deliver some rain. We've got a high right here. That'll be served to probably make sure that these move in and do not wrap around. We do have a jet stream flow, but there's a disruption right here at the surface level, so we'll have to see what happens with these lows. They're forecast to move in, and we'll just see what happens. Here's the 300 millibar map. You see that high pressure area right here? We've got two lows, and we have another one right out here. All right. Okay, so that's the summary. There's really nothing to report other than the fact that we didn't get any rain. And we have another manipulated weather system here. Okay, so we'll do another update tomorrow. That's it.